Today's the 5 Advent calendars, day 15. Wow, 10 more days. Let me see the Lent calendar. We have a big bear. Let me show you. And that is a mini milk chocolate teddy. Oh, my grandson will love that. He's been eating them every day. He's spoiled. Mama may not like that. All right, the next one is Disney, and I already made it. And that is Tiana from The Frog and the Princess. And there's a little present. Okay, next up is Christmas Vacation. Let me see where day 15 is. Should be right around in here. Here we go. Oh, this is pretty cool. Okay. There's a reindeer. I guess for Santa's sleigh, because there's the back part, or maybe another reindeer. I like that. There's Elf. Where was the snowman from yesterday? Let me see. Day 15. Oh, it looks small. Wonder what it is. It's a book. That was from Elf. Now, last but not least, the Christmas Story. Day 15. And what is that? Oh, Santa. I don't know what that was. I have to look it up. Pretty cool. All right. I'll let you know tomorrow what that was. You probably already know if you're watching this. All right, well, have a good day. Don't forget to subscribe, like, do all the above, and make a comment. Let me know how I'm doing. I'd like to know so I can improve. How can I improve for you? All right, have a good day. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.